Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful chocolate leaf decorations. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I'm going to start off by choosing the leaves that I'm going to use. So here I've got some mint leaves, but you can use any leaves of your choice. There are some curry leaves with nice patterns on them. So I'm going to choose some big ones. Okay, I think I'll choose this one. See, I love the pattern on the back. You can use the pattern on the back or the pattern on the front, but using this one is better because it's got raised patterns on it. Okay. I've got the leaves that I want. Now I'm going to use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. I've already melted them in the microwave. If you want to know how to melt chocolate, you can watch the link on the video above. Start with the dark chocolate. So I get some dark chocolate on my paintbrush. I'm going to use the back of this because it's got a raised pattern, so you get the design out better. The design will come out better. Just going to move these out of the way. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next ones, and I'm going to leave these to set, or I'll put them in the fridge to set completely. Make sure your chocolate is on quite thick, because if you put it too thinly, it will break when you peel off the leaf. Okay, now these are going to go in the fridge for a few minutes until they're set. This one, okay. The leaves are set. I'm going to peel one. So you have to be very, very gentle because they can break like that. That's too thin. So that's what happens when it's too thin. Okay, I'm going to make some more and make it a lot thicker. Okay, the chocolate has set, and now I'm going to peel off the leaves to reveal the pattern. Make sure your chocolate is quite thick, because if it's thin, it will break. Look at how easily that comes off. This is very beautiful. You can use this to decorate cakes or cupcakes. See, it comes off very easily. This will happen if there are few folds. Can you see? A bit of green goes in the folds, but it's very good. I love it. Okay, let me get one of the white ones. Okay. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.